Shares of Robinhood spiking here after the open, trading near $60. Hotel Oscar Delta shares up now about 16% on Hotel Oscar Delta. CIDM, Cinedigm, partners with Robert Rodriguez's El Rey Network to super serve fans with free ad-supported channel. That's Charlie India Delta Michael. SOLO, Electromechanicas, Solo EV showcase during Secretary of Energy Michigan Manufacturing Tour. That's Sandy Oscar, Lima Oscar. VERB, Verb Technology, partners with direct-to-consumer company New Age in launching app for independent distributors to increase customer engagement and drive sales conversion rates. That's Victor Echo Romeo Bravo. Coming up at 10, wholesale inventories for June, plus 0.8% expected month over month in wholesale inventories. That's coming up in about 20 minutes.
Kxin breaking through the pre-market high. Looking for 250 here. Let's see if we can get it. $243 Kxin.
Shares of Robinhood hitting a new intraday high now, 59.85. Hotel Oscar Delta. Dow Jones Industrial Average hitting a record high.
Robinhood hitting 60. Okay, Kxin, let's get 250 here. Go. Get that push. There you go. 48. Here it is, 258. Kxin 266. Nice. Nice play so far. Looks like we have some resistance up there at 280.
BCRX, BioChrist Pharma shares getting a pop here on some volume. Bravo Charlie Romeo X-ray. Kxin Auto Holdings spiking to the high now, $2.72, up 61% after the company announcing it's getting into new energy vehicle business. That Kilo X-Ray India November shares $2.72 the high on Kilo X-Ray India November. ENDP, Endo International, files for potential mixed shelf. Wholesale inventories plus 1.1%. Consensus was plus 0.8%. ROTGU, Roth CH acquisition, 4 shares opening at $10, IP price at $10 per unit. That's Roscoe Charlie Golf Uniform. AIKI, Aikido, announcing update on the use of machine learning in support of its antiviral platform with the University of Maryland, Baltimore School of Medicine. That's Alpha India Kilo India. Says the goal of the project is the identification and optimization of antiviral compounds that inhibit viral replication by targeting a protein complex that degrades RNA at the cellular level. That's Alpha India Kilo India, AIKI. Shares getting a pop here now, 83 cents, up about 1.5% on Alpha India Kilo India. RNWK, Real Network spiking here. Romeo November Whiskey Kilo, RNWK, hitting the high. That's Romeo November Whiskey Kilo. BCLI, Brainstorm Cell Therapeutic shares getting a pop here on some volume. Bravo Charlie Lima, India. HLMN, Hillman Solutions, Hotel Lima Michael, November, activity in the October 12.5 call sweep. That's Hotel Lima Michael, November, HLMN. Shares hitting $13.11 at the high.
Hey, Swift Trading, what's up, man? Was good. What was good? Kxin? We almost hit that 280. We're still bouncing out that EMA right there.
APT, Alpha Protec, shares popping to the highs, $8.85, APT.
KXIN looking to hit that 280 target. Let's see. AMD still grinding to the upside. AMD is good. There's 280 on KXIN.
KXIN, Kxin Auto Holdings, more new highs now, $2.85, up 71%. Kilo X-ray, India, November. NCLH, Norwegian Norwegian Cruise Lines executive says policy of 100% vaccinations is in place without issue in nearly 500 ports of sale, except Florida ports. Says with rise of Delta variant, having vaccinated and tested population on board vessels is the best path to keeping guests safe. Says vaccines are our most powerful tool as we prepare our ships to return to service. That's November Charlie Lima Hotel. Shares now at 24.42. Company on their conference call now following their earnings report, up about 1%. November Charlie Lima Hotel.
Kxin hitting 290. Whew.
Shares of HOOD, Robinhood, pulling back now, 55.49. Robinhood shares up about 9% now, hit a high around $61 earlier after the company explained its S1 registration statement, which was out yesterday. NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Line executive, says 75% of booked position in 2022 is comprised of new cash bookings, with the rest comprised of future cruise credit bookings. That's the number Charlie Lima Hotel. OCGN Oxygen now spiking to the high, $7.91 following their earnings report earlier. Oscar Charlie Golf November.
Kxin 303 new high.
NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Line executive, says company expects operating cash flow turning positive over the course of Q1 of 2022. November Charlie Lima Hotel. RVACU Riverview Acquisition shares opening at $9.90, priced at $10 per unit. That's Romeo Victor Alpha Charlie uniform.
AMD new high.
RMGB, Renew Power Signs, India's first round the clock renewable energy PPA. That's Romeo Michael Golf Bravo. Beijing prosecutor files civil interest lawsuit against Shenzhen Tencent Computer Systems. Says Tencent's WeChat Youth Mode does not comply with China's underage law.
3, 2, 1.
That's Tango Charlie Echo Hotel Yankee. Shares are dropping here on that news. TCEHY Tango Charlie Echo Hotel Yankee. CGC, Canopy Growth, says revenue growth and profitability expected to be much more prominent in fiscal 2022. That's Charlie Golf Charlie. NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Line executive, says most of the company's vessels are starting at 60% load factor, slowly ramping up to 80% and normal load factors. That's November Charlie Lima Hotel. SNY, Sanofi, FDA approves treatment for Pompe disease, granted approval of Nexviazyme to Genzyme Corporation for treatment of Pompe disease. That's Sandy November Yankee. NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Line executive, says expect coming voyages to be cash flow positive for the rest of the fleet. SPCE, Virgin Galactic, September 35 fall sweep now. Sandy Papa Charlie Echo. Share is moving a bit higher on Virgin Galactic. Sandy Papa Charlie Echo. BCRX, BioCris getting a downgrade at Jeffries to a hold. Bravo Charlie Romeo X-ray. NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Line executive on Delta variant. This is transitory, temporary phenomenon. It's going to run through the course of population quickly. That's November Charlie Lima Hotel. BCRX, BioCris shares trading down now about 11 cents, getting a downgrade. Hearing actually Bloomberg reporting BioCris getting a downgrade to a hold at Jefferies. That's Bravo Charlie Romeo X-ray. CCJ, Kamiko, August 17.5 call sweep. About 1,400 contracts on that. Charlie, Charlie, Juliet. NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Line executive, says if 2022 continues on the path that we're seeing today, it could be a very nice year in terms of EBIT. KURA, Cura Oncology, October 22.5 calls active, currently at $18.52. That's Kilo Uniform Romeo Alpha. TANH, Tantec, getting a pop here to the highs, $1.02 on volume now, Tango Alpha November Hotel. DOCS, Doximity, off the lows now, 53.97. Delta Oscar, Charlie Sandy, CNBC, out with a report here. Social network for doctors is full of vaccine disinformation. Doximity has described itself as a LinkedIn for doctors. That's Delta Oscar Charlie Sandy. WISH, Context Logic, January $10 call sweep now, Whiskey India Sandy Hotel.
Hey, Mosley. I don't know how to pronounce the first name. Let's see here. I played Kxin. I'm still looking at it. I still think it has potential. This downtrend here. So, I'm hoping it comes down here. If it comes to this area, I will be grabbing some. As long as it doesn't break below. You know what I'm saying? Like, for example, here where it broke below. So these are really good entry points. And your stop losses are very minimal. So you get in here, if it breaks below, you stop out. If you break above, oh, you just ride it. So I was looking for an entry down here. Hasn't come. We did play this all the way to 280. Break of this downtrend could be good. Break of that 280 again. And ride it towards $3. See potential, but I would love to see a dip to this support here. That's about it. What do you just trade shares, or do you trade options as well? Oh, what the heck is that? AMD. Oh, mostly options. Oh, okay. So, good options play today was AMD. I swung this one from yesterday. I saw it hitting support. Oh, this doesn't show you. On the 1 hour, I saw it hitting support, so I took some lotto calls. Worked out great. Other than that, there hasn't been much JPM right now. JPM is grinding on up. What's up with AMD? Did they get news? So I just got filled for some options here. Very small, kind of holding. Let's see. If it doesn't hold, I'm gonna get out. On AMD, I don't know why that big. Okay, JPM, man, making new highs. Oh. Good JPM here. Some lottos would have worked nice in JPM. Alright, so far we're bouncing off. Holy moly, JPM. Alright, let's see if we can hold here on AMD. If it doesn't, I'm going to get out. It's fine. JPM beasting today, man. Oh my god. I had gotten in on JPM on some lottos around, let's see, 854 and I got stopped out. 854. Okay, I got stopped out. Those lottos are printing now. Yep. I had a stop loss too tight there a little. I should have known we're above pre-market high. Okay, AMD. I'm up a few dollars here. I know it doesn't look like it on the 2 minute, but on the 1 minute contracts, I'm up. Yeah, Kxin, and I think yeah, you can have a stop loss around 60 here, 63, right below it. And then well, I would get back in around this level. Uh-oh, we're getting a reversal there. And I can't believe I got stopped out on 3 p.m. Yeah, this is probably potential good entry here. As long as we stay above this 263. Okay, AMD trying to stay above this pre-market high here. This blue line, guys, is pre-market high. Anytime we're above pre-market high is a very good sign.
Sandy Papa. Worksport WKSP bolted at the high 641. Whiskey Kilo
Pre-market high is good.
The intraday
I love to trade stuff over pre-market high. Anything below, a little bit more risky. AMD looking to bounce here. I'm going to give it some time. I'm currently up on it. I'm willing to take give it a little bit of time. I'm willing to take a small loss since I won 20 on it. Uh-oh, it's coming back down. Come on. I'm now break even. I'm willing to give it a few dollars down. We're bouncing now.
AMC, Alpha Michael Charlie, the September
Those are tricky.
fall sweep trading now on AMC. Alpha
What the
Michael
market
Charlie.
makers try to do is they try to take out all the stop losses. Have you ever been in a play where it comes down, it's your stop loss, and then it moves back up? Oh yeah. That's why it's better to have a mental stop loss. And that's what happened on JPM earlier. I set stop loss because I was looking at some of the options, and so I took my off of it. And when I take my off of something, I put a hard stop, and I got taken out, and now I regret it. Okay, so Kxin didn't quite break this turn. Yeah, couple weeks there, but we can close above it. Let's see, we hold this 263. This should hold. If not, we are going to see this area at 257. And then, this is the area I wanted. Okay, let's see if we can hold this 50 area.
PSX, Phillips 66, invest in Seek, advanced analytics software developer. Financial terms not disclosed. That's Papa Sandy X-ray.
Alright, I just got filled on the AMD. Or scalp there. Guess I could have held it a little longer. I'll take my profits. All right. Let's see Kxin. This 250. Let's see, we call it 50. Let me adjust this trend.
Didi Global, December 22, $12.50 call sweep now. Delta India.
Okay, I haven't gotten filled yet on Kxin. I'm looking for 250. It's alright, man. At least you went in small. Okay, I'm looking at this area. Did we hit 250? I didn't get filled. No. We hit 252. I'm looking for 250. I'm doing it about 5 cents. See if we can hold them. I'm out of AMD here. Got this nice dip. Just hold it right there. Okay, I just got filled. Got filled to 50. Let's see. We need a hold above 45. see what happens. Got a little bit more. There's a 48. Oh, it crossed the red. That's not a good sign. So this is in the red now, which is not a good sign, but let's see if we can hold above and do what it did here. But if it breaks above 245, if it breaks below that, I'm gonna be out.
SPRT support.com getting a pop to the high and some volume. Sandy Papa Romeo Tango, $7.45, up about 12% now for Sandy Papa Romeo Tango.
Super chat. What's that, man? I'm new to YouTube. What's the
EU
super chat?
expected to discuss reimposing travel restrictions on the U.S. That from Bloomberg. Seeing a dip in airline stocks. Shares of Delta, UAL dipping.
Okay, so I'm gonna give it right here, guys. Okay, below that is a stop. The mental stop.
Also, cruise lines also pulling back now on apparently on that headline again that the EU expected to discuss reimposing travel restrictions on the U.S. President Biden says new Delta wave of COVID-19 will be very different.
I'll look into that, man. I don't have that many subscribers right now. But you're welcome to share the word and post this channel on your social media, and so we can grow the channel together.
Biden says COVID cases will go up before they come down.
But yeah, I'm usually on camera too. It's just my eyes have been hurting and I have some lights flashing right at me, so I haven't been on camera. I just been on voice. But I'll get back on camera.
Occupier share is getting a pop here now on volume. Oscar Charlie Uniform Papa.
Oh, here comes AMD here. Where are we? I sold my calls here, but I got a nice win here.
ADGI, Adagio Therapeutics, shares opening for trade at $21, priced at $17. That's the IPO for Alpha Delta Golf India.
So another thing that I'm looking to do is, because YouTube sometimes doesn't tell you when I'm live, or it takes a long time, is I'm gonna open up a Telegram.
CGC Canopy Growth on their conference call says,
and for all the YouTube subscribers, if they get on there
in the US rather than in Canada,
I'll post it as soon as I'm live,
Charlie,
and so everybody can get the message that I'm live. Like that, you don't have to rely on YouTube.
Move higher now, $19.13.
I was thinking about doing that yesterday,
following their earnings release.
So as we grow the channel, everybody can get in at the same time. without having to rely on the notifications. Sometimes they're a bit delayed. Like I'm live and I've heard the few subscribers that I have. It's come kind of late to them. I've already been on for live for about 5-10 minutes, and they get the notification kind of late.
Support.com shares spiking to the highs now, $7.62. Sandy Papa Romeo Tango shares up about 15% at the high, moving on heavy volume now. Sandy Papa Romeo Tango.
Okay, so we are holding that 250 fairly nice. We're at 252 right now. My average is 249. Because I grabbed some more at around 249. Got my average down. So I'm gonna hold. I don't want to let it go. I'm not gonna hold below 244. That's my mental stop. It does break below. I feel like it's gonna come and test this pre-market high here. That's why I would be looking for the next bounce. For example, this stock, guys, any this thing, the chances of any coming up are very hard. Look at pre-market high. We're not even above that. So I'm gonna change that stock. Let's see what else. Next TP. Okay, next TD, what's the volume? 2 million. Real nice breakout right here. 26 cents per market high. Do they have news?
President Biden says hopes the U.S. will not see the same kind of economic damage from the Delta variant.
Hey, give the video a like as well. If you guys are listening in, give it a like. It'll help the channel. It'll help it get discovered by YouTube. We'll recommend it. Let's see what else is trending. HBI. Okay, HBI looks nice. Ooh, nice. Broke pre-market high here, 848. Some volume. Got the entry here, 85. So this is an algo that I created, guys, myself. On the things that I look for, I kind of put scripts together. I don't write. I'm not a pro at writing scripts, but I kind of managed to put them together of the things that I look for when I'm trading. And when I created this channel, I thought to myself, I need to put it in a visual form so the people that are watching can see the things that I see without having to look at this. Okay. So I kind of put the scripts together to help you guys kind of visualize what I'm seeing in my head without having to look at this indicator. So I kind of put them to match to the things that I look for. Not 100%, but pretty close, pretty close.
President Biden says urges Americans to wear masks, get vaccinated against COVID-19, says schools have resources to safely reopen.
Okay, what's MBY doing? MBY is a mask play. MBY. Not doing much. remember the first time MBY went crazy. Come on, man. And we're a little bit on the oversold territory here. We need to hold that 244.
RH, third point, earlier disclosed a new position in RH in their investor letter.
Is HBI halted? HBI is halted.
That's Romeo Hotel.
I just realized that HBI halted to the upside. Broke that pre-market high, just took off 849 to 8. What are the bids right now? Okay, we're still holding that 248, 39 area. Come on, man. All right, we're coming down. Let's see if we can get that bounce there. If not, be out. A small paper cut there. Okay, but the great thing about buying a support that I love is that your risk to reward is really good. So you risk very little, but you make a real upside. Usually when we have this bounce, like this would have bounced here, you would have looked to take the profit here, 280, and then leave half and write it about, that target around 309. But if you take a loss, you take a loss, small loss. So you could lose 50, you could have a 50% win ratio, and your wins will overtake your losses by a lot. Trust me. A lot of times I do wait for confirmation, though. I don't start taking positions until I see that we held here. But since there's nothing else moving, I decided to get in on it. Okay, we're holding that 240, 244. Yeah, that breaks is not going to be good. We could see this test the pre-market high here. Let's see if we can hold. The only problem now, because we broke below this EMAs here, is we're gonna have resistance now just before. Just not good. It's Friday, it's gonna be lunchtime. Volume's gonna slow down. AMD here. Where's it at? It's a few more dollars than what I sold at. Alright. Hopefully we can start getting a reversal here.
SNY Sanofi now with a press release acknowledging the FDA approval for their treatment of late onset Pompe disease. That's Sandy November Yankee that we reported on earlier.
Let me look at my scanner, see what else is going on. Neo. Neo. Let's pick it up. And it was just low. Alright, let's bring up the charts where you can see them. Yikes. Okay, so I like to look at the 4-hour a lot, okay, because that tells you the move faster than the daily for the most part. Okay, I use the Heiken Ashi candles as well, not regular candles on the 4-hour, and I use regular candles on the daily. Well, on this one I have the Heiken Ashis, but on my main charts, and the Heiken Ashi tells you the trend and the trend change. I just like it a lot. But as you can see here, we have resistance on Neo in this area. We have this trend here around 46.29. So today would have been a great short for Neo. A great short right here, 629. Yeah, as soon as you saw this red. So. Let's see, Neo.
CIDM Cinedigm CEO on partnership with El Rey Network tells Benzinga this is the first time in a linear cable brand has completely pivoted to free ad-supported TV streaming distribution. Cinedigm CEO tells Benzinga partnership with El Rey underscores Cinedigm's unique capabilities to quickly transition established entertainment brands to streaming. That's Charlie India Delta Michael.
CIDM, gotta look at that one. All right, so we have some support here at 44. If this breaks, we have some more support here on 41.59. So $3 move. If that breaks, we can come and test this 38. I am long on Neo on my long-term portfolio. When this was dipping back over here in March, I was grabbing some at this lows, and then I think I grabbed some more in this area. So I'm long Neo for the long term, and every dip that it gets below my average, I am adding. If you're looking for scalping, for day trading, yeah, this looks like it has, well, if it can hold this 43, if it breaks, like I said, you're gonna get to this area right here around 41.51. Let's go ahead and put a line. If that breaks, you can come and test this 38. But if we bounce off of here, this is where it can get tricky, because if we bounce off of here, we can actually break above. You see this downtrend on the daily? If this breaks, you can get some momentum and hit that 51 again. So I would keep watching this 4-hour candles, the Heiken Ashes, and see if they keep printing red. We're getting a doji candle here on the daily. So depending on the next candle on the daily, on Monday, if it opens up green, okay, we could break out. If it opens up red, we're going to the bottom. So it's not too complicated. Just don't use too many indicators. Support and resistance, and look at the candle colors on using the Heiken Ashi on the 4-hour. I like the doji candles a lot. For example, this doji right here, if the next candle opens a flat bottom, you're usually gonna get some more upside potential. Here's another one. I didn't get a flat bottom, so a flat bottom would be this candle right here. Okay, for example, here's a doji, right? You don't know which way it's gonna go, but then you open with the green candle, the flat bottom, and that usually means upside. So that works over and over and over. You hear another one, flat bottom, right? And NEO doesn't move that much, but on stocks that move, quite a bit, like Tesla, NVDA. There's another one. Netflix, Roku. If they have bigger moves, you'll have some really good success. Okay, what's going on? Okay, we held. Nice. All right. So we held that support there. The only problem is that we're below now. The CMAs, I don't like that. Usually we're gonna have some hard resistance in this area. So we'll see. I might have to sell into this area just to get out there. Oh, I was gonna look at CIDM.
Calling in Menial family of pacemakers and CRT.
The heck, it ain't even doing anything.
Incorrect transition.
But they had news.
FDA says
Partnership with the
Menial family of pacemakers and CRTPS.
I had news, but they ain't doing nada.
Bravo Sandy X-ray.
Yeah, Neil, that 43 breaks, man. You're gonna see 41. Look at the 1 hour, and the momentum is shifting to the upside. It really needs to hold that 43 right here. 43, what is it? 65. Really needs to hold, but I'm thinking right now momentum to the downside. This morning would have been a great short, looking at the 4 hour. The IDM ain't doing nothing. Go back to this. AIHS. Going slow. Doing nothing, guys. Ramp. This was moving nice. Very low volume though. There's nothing happening.
MARA, Marathon Digital, shares at the highs, or just off the highs now, 33.60, seeing the August 35
right.
call sweep in Michael Alpha, Romeo Alpha.
A nice breakout on it. Nice breakout hitting target here. Wow, it's a nice flag on the 1 hour. Broke out. Get in the habit of looking at the 1 hour. For example, on the 1 hour, if you see this, you'll see that on the 1 hour you had support here. And it bounced off beautifully. So draw your support, and once you see your entry, right around this area, you can write it up. This was kind of tricky. It came back again. An entry here, 3171.
HOOD, Robinhood, August $67 call sweep now on Hotel Oscar Delta. Currently at 53.60 on HOOD.
What is the hood?
Hotel Oscar Delta.
So yesterday on Hood, I was trying to get some shares, not calls, but shares at $50, and I just couldn't get filled right before the close. This thing opened. This thing ran to 6. Again, on Hood because of the 1 hour support. So a lot of things, what I look for is on the 4 hour, if you have a like an actually green candle, and it's trending up. The overall, the market, I look for support and resistance on the 1 hour, and I get in at support. And it works more often than not. And you have some real nice swings that way. All right, here, Kxin. Looks like we're trying to move up. Nice, I'm up 10 cents. Did I take my profit? Probably not. I have some. I have a little bit of wiggle room. So that 244 held like a champ, man. Look at that. Got a stop loss right below. It's Friday, but the volume 163 million. Yes. I don't know if it's gonna happen today, guys, but during the week, if something's trading above pre-market here, and usually by the end of the day, we'll get a new high. Especially the top gainers, top 1 and 2 gainers. Okay. See, now we're gonna have resistance here, so we'll see if we can break above with volume. I'll stay, but if not, I'll probably take my profit. Good so far. You see why I buy support? It's just the risk reward is much greater. If I'm wrong, I take a small loss. But you know, if you're wrong up here, you know, when are you gonna cut it? Here's gonna read some support. See, we can break it.
Bitcoin futures spiking here, hitting high
Bitcoin's moving up. That's why Mars moving up.
42,580. DKNG, DraftKings tweeted something non-fungible is on the way. That's Delta Kilo November Golf. Levi's Dow Jones reporting Levi's leaves Board of Fashion Coalition at Center of China Controversy. That's Lima Echo Victor, India. SPRTsupport.com. December $12 calls now in Sandy Papa Romeo Tango.
All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna log off for lunchtime, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Um, I'll see if I can open up a Telegram this weekend and try to put everybody in that's on the channel so you can get a notification when I'm in or when I make a new video. I'll also add it to the description of my channel so you can join us. But let's see here. Tomorrow, next target's gonna be this 34 area, 3470. It needs to hold the support here, 33, 34, and bounce off of it. Kxin got rejected here on this level that we talked about. So it's gonna have a hard time there, especially Friday lunch hours. I don't know, guys. We'll see. Does need to stay above that 43 area. Let's see what else. AMD needs to stay above this market. APM is slowly but surely still grinding up. Target is going to be 157.90. Other than that, not much going on. So I'll see you guys Monday. I hope you have a blessed weekend with your family and friends. Enjoy it. Don't forget to study on your time off, journal your trades. You'll find out what's working and what's not working in the long run. So again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys Monday. Adios.